Hello everyone, welcome back to Anshul Gupta MD. Today I'm going to talk about an important topic about warning signs and symptoms of iodine deficiency. What is iodine? Iodine is an important mineral which is needed by your body to produce thyroid hormone as well as to keep your body in good shape, especially your immune system. Several people are low in iodine and they don't even know about it. The reason being, most of the regular blood tests do not check iodine levels. So people have to rely on signs and symptoms that their body is giving to them to know whether their body is sufficient into iodine or not. So let's talk about these warning signs and symptoms that might point towards if you have iodine deficiency or not. So the number one warning sign is that if you do have a thyroid swelling or enlargement of your thyroid gland or goiter, that can certainly mean that you can have iodine deficiency. The reason being, iodine is needed by your thyroid gland to produce thyroid hormone, and when your thyroid gland doesn't get enough iodine, then it causes enlargement of the thyroid gland and also formation of nodules. So that's first sign that you might be iodine deficient. The second sign of iodine deficiency is that if you're feeling very tired or fatigued all the time. Again, iodine is a very important mineral needed by your body to function and also produce thyroid hormone, and that also helps to give you energy. Again, when you're low in iodine, that can cause your energy levels to go low and also feeling physical weakness. So if you have body pains and physical weakness, again, that can mean iodine deficiency. The third sign of iodine deficiency is hair loss. Iodine is an important mineral again which is needed for regeneration of your hair follicles. And again, if you're losing hair or your hairs are thinning, that can again be because of iodine deficiency, because your hairs follicles are not being regenerated. And it has been seen that supplementing with iodine can be helpful for hair fall and hair thinning issues. The next symptom of iodine deficiency is having brain fog or learning disabilities or not able to remember things or having poor concentration. Iodine is needed by your brain to function properly and also your brain cells to regenerate properly. Hippocampus is an important region of your brain which is associated with learning and memory. And it has been shown that people who are iodine deficient, this hippocampus has problems and it can be smaller in size as compared to people who have normal amount of iodine. So if you have brain fog or your brain is not functioning properly, that is another sign of iodine deficiency. The next sign of iodine deficiency is irregular periods or heavy periods. So if you are going through irregular or heavy periods or painful periods, that can be because of iodine deficiency. Iodine is important mineral which is needed by your body to produce various female and thyroid hormones. And an imbalance between those hormones actually can again lead to a dysfunction in your menstrual periods. Especially, females who are pregnant or breastfeeding females, they need increased amount of iodine in their body to kind of support their body as well as support their infant with them. Weight gain is another sign of iodine deficiency. Iodine again supports the metabolism of your body, and several females who are low in iodine can also have weight gain problems or inability to lose weight. So if you are that female not able to lose weight, that can again pinpoint that you might have an iodine deficiency. The next question most people have is that how can I confirm whether I have iodine deficiency or not? So there are various tests which are available to check iodine. One of the tests is checking iodine levels in the blood. The second one is to check iodine in your urine, which is a urine spot test, and the third one is 24-hour urine iodine check. Unfortunately, the blood levels of iodine are not very accurate, and it is not recommended to check iodine levels in the blood because they are not accurate at all. So either checking the urine spot iodine levels or doing a 24-hour urine iodine check is the only better way of checking your iodine levels. Even these urine levels are not very accurate, so it is better to rely on these symptoms rather than just relying on the blood test or the urine test. Now the next question is that how can you get enough iodine and why iodine deficiency happen? So the reason iodine deficiency happen is that most of our food is not high in iodine. Especially if you're a vegan or a vegetarian, there are not many foods which have iodine into it. The major sources of iodine comes from actually either seafood or sea vegetables like kemp, kombu, So nori, these are all sea vegetables which are high in iodine, or certain fishes or seafoods. Only few other foods have iodine in them, like eggs, like dairy products, or dried prunes, or some beans in your diet. So that's the reason a lot of time people have to rely on salt, which is iodized salt, to get enough iodine in them, or taking an iodine supplement is another option. So that's the reason if you have any of these signs or symptoms, it is first of all very important to talk to your doctor to see if they can order a urine iodine check for you and see where your iodine levels are. And try to include foods which are high in iodine. I have made another video specifically for foods which are high in iodine, so please watch that video. The link is in the description. I hope you like this video. If you do, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye.